actually feels really good outside today. And by the way, if you've seen any of my other videos, and there's 90, my hair was longer, crochet hair, but I clipped it and now it's to my shoulders and I'm loving it. But it's gonna be changed up again, like always. Always changing up my hair, doing something different, especially with color. I'm really liking this burgundy, so I was thinking about doing it again. But let's get to the actual video part of what the purpose is. This is basically it's just gonna be like another fall makeup look. I'm gonna do a fall makeup look. It's just gonna be kind of dark. I mean, dark eyeshadow, kind of mixed with a smoky eye. So I guess you can call it a smoky eye. And a dark lip. So it's gonna be a smoky eye and a dark lip. And I'm excited. So my face is already done. This is how I went to school. I just had my full face on, and I think I have eyeshadow on, but not that crazy. So I'm gonna just build on what I got and go from there. So stay tuned for the look. Just want to give you like another look of basically the eye makeup I already had on, so I'm just building on top of this. Foundation, highlight, contour. I have mascara on, but I don't even know if I want to put lashes on. I may do. But brows done. I love it. So, yeah. Okay, since now I'm in the house, you can probably see that I have on some orange and red type shadows, but I'm taking the Morphe palette. The thing comes off, so Morphe palette 3502. And I'm just going to look and see what the heck I want to do. Honestly, because, I mean, I got my transitional shades and everything that I want, but I want to kind of darken it up. So, I think this is a palette I freaking love. This is a perfect fall palette. Oh, God. I think I want to just use these first 3 shades. Okay. I have to look back on it to see what it is. So the first 3, it's In the Zone, which is right here, Brave, and Rich, I believe. Yes, so I'm gonna just do this, honestly. And I'll come back and show you what happened. I mean, it did a little something, if you can see it. But of course I want it a little bit darker, so this is basically what I do when I'm trying to create the perfect shade for me. So I'm gonna go with this one especially, and probably at the interview use the black, which is called Wiz, and this is called Brunette. Okay, let's do it. How it's looking now. Bold and dark and crazy. I tried to clean it up with concealer a little bit, and of course it's a little messy at the ends, but I'm not done. Still, I'm taking this other palette I have. It's called the 23 Matte Colors palette. I'm really liking the purple. Maybe it's dark purple, but then I'm loving the top part in the red. So I'm gonna do the dark purple and the one closest to the red right here, and then I'm gonna mix it with this one. So this literally took a dark turn. Whatever. Next is the lips. I'm doing a dark lip as well. I mean, why not? Okay, so I'm thinking twice, should I have lined my lips? No, I don't care.